Okay, I'm here with an early Christmas present for you guys. This is a giveaway and it's very simple to enter. I'll get to that rather quickly in a minute or two. I'm not going to have you run around to Instagram or do this or do that. You just have to do something here on YouTube, okay? What it is, it's a Bang and Pony. It's by Outre. And let's see, it's called a Quick Pony, and it's called Solano in the color 2T1/27. Okay, and I think I got it at New York Hair Mall, I think. Anyways, let me open it up for you. The coloring of the hair is too light for me. It's not what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a 1B at the top, and it's not. It's much lighter, and so it's not my style, and it won't match my own hair, so I can't use it. So I'm going to give it to you guys. But what's really cool about this is that the ponytail, this has not been worn. As you can see, it still has everything on it. I've just opened it up so I can show you guys. The bangs are attached to the ponytail. It's one piece. Okay, so here is the ponytail. It has the combs, and then the bangs has like 2 of the clips. So even though I have my hat on, and I don't want to put this on my head because I want this to be fresh for you guys, but you know, the head would be right here, and the bangs hang down, and here's the color. It's very wavy and full. Okay, so this can be yours, an early Christmas present. Now let me tell you about my contest. It's very simple rules. I'm just asking that you subscribe to the channel that you're watching right now, and also leave a comment. Those are the 2 main things. Another thing as well is, because I'm a little cheap, I'm sorry you guys, I can only ship to the United States and Canada. I can't ship to, you know, anywhere else in the world because it'd just be too expensive for me. So you have to be located or have a US or Canadian address for me to ship to you. And also, there has to be a way for me to get a hold of you. So if I click on your comment and then I go to your YouTube channel or just where you subscribe, you should have a way for me to contact you. There should be an about page or an about link where you can put your email address. So if I select somebody and then I go to their YouTube page and there's no personal information, then I'll have to just go on to the next person, okay? So make sure you include your email address in your YouTube channel that's accessible to me. Leave a comment and like and subscribe, and that's it. And the contest will be going on for about 20 days. I'll be making a decision December 1st, and I'll make that announcement on the channel as well. So this could be yours. Okay? And once you get it, I'm going to have it wrapped back up very pretty for you. It's unused, unworn, and I just opened it up so that I could show you. Okay? So get to subscribing and commenting, and make sure I'm able to contact you. Okay? Good luck.